How to make black screen in top and bottom of VN Editor. All right, guys. So your first step would be to go ahead and open up any of the projects you're working on where you'd like to add such a cinematic view to. So I'm going to go ahead and select this project and it's going to open up. Now, once the project has opened up, all you need to do is just simply head into where we have crop, click on the crop here, and then go ahead and select the aspect ratio you'd like to change because aspect ratios would help deliver that kind of cinematic view. All right, so let's go 9:16 for the TikTok and then click on yes. You're going to see the black bars at the sides. Now, if you do want them at the top and at the bottom, you're going to have to enter the crop, restore it back to the original, and then select the free option and then drag this here and drag this here and then click on the check mark. That way we have the black bar at the bottom and we have the black bar at the top. All right, and once you're done, you can just simply click on the export option and you're exporting in a cinematic view. All right, guys.